फ्रेंड्स, मैं अवध ओझा 7 सितंबर 2024 आपके साथ पूना में वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री के कोर्स के लिए।
Hello and welcome. Myself, Dr. Skilha, King, Indian economy, having experience of around 30 years.
Hello everyone, welcome to IQRA IAS. This is Sanjay Thakur. I have been teaching for last 15 years.
Hi, my name is Chandrasekhar and I teach International Relations and Internal Security last 18 to 20 years.
Hello everyone, this is Abhimanyu Sridhar, the Faculty of Ethics, Integrity and Aptitude.
IQRA IAS provides you diverse kinds of exam preparation related programs.
The most prominent is GS Foundation Batch, both for Hindi as well as English medium.
You will find lectures from renowned faculties from Delhi.
These are meticulously designed by our well-experienced and dynamic faculty members. Regular test series are given.
With 2000 MCQs to practice, and also there will be mentors to mentor you from Pune and Kanpur. The rest of the details you can find in the course. See you in the course.